It's Mr. Bruner. Today we're going to look at the simple process of transferring an Onshape file into Solidworks. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up our remote desktop. Once we're in our remote desktop, we can both open Solidworks and we can get Onshape going. I have them both open down here already. Now, bear with me, I'm having some issues connecting with the internet, but we should be able to do this either way. So once you have your part open, so this is Bolt student version, we should be able to right click on our part here, and we're going to go ahead and export it. The way that we're going to export this is not as an STL file like we do for 3D printing, but instead we actually have a SolidWorks file. We're going to just put this into the downloads folder and we can name it whatever we want, and we'll hit OK. Once that gets going, I already have some files that I've saved. You can see it should appear in your downloads folder as with this little icon, and it's a 3D CAD file. So we can directly open that in SolidWorks. Since that's the default program, you should be able to just double click on it and open it up. If not, you're going to open up a new document and you're going to go File, Open, and you can find that document. And you can see here I have my male buckle clip, and everything is loaded in, and I can actually orbit around it, zoom, and everything the way that I need to do as you would normally look at a CAD file. This is also going to allow me to use this for some simulations, but you can see over here in the features tree, there's nothing that I can edit. So what we can do is when we open this, it'll actually give us the option, we'll give this a shot, it'll actually give us the option to convert all of the entities and the objects into an actual CAD file that we can edit. So what we have over here, since it doesn't seem to be opening, is a file that I've actually done this. It took probably about 10 minutes to run on the remote desktop, but now that I've taken my buckle and I've let SolidWorks look at it, it has actually taken all the features and it's tried to create features on the side over here that relate to whatever it is it sees. Now this is not perfect and it does not create it the way that you might have created it in Onshape, but it does give you the opportunity to come in here, look at it, has assigned angles, and you can actually edit it. So this allows you to make some minor tweaks and edit your parts right here in SolidWorks, as opposed to trying to go back and forth to Onshape. Another reason why this is really good is that you can use these features for your design study. For instance, if I need to change this angle for a very specific reason, I can then have SolidWorks look at it and automatically change either the length or the angle of it to maximize the feature that I need it to do, or the function that I need it to work under. So that's as easy as it is to get things into SolidWorks. I hope that helps. If you have any questions, always comment and let me know.